Another kind of telescope is a hydrogen alpha telescope, which is suited for observing the sun. And you don't need a lot of light gathering power when you use such a telescope, because sun is the brightest object in the sky anyway. So you actually have to reduce the amount of light, and you can use a filter, hydrogen alpha, for that. And again, it is mounted in a equatorial mount. Oh, in this case it's not equatorial, it's altazimuth. So practically you have to move it all continuously to follow the path of the sun in the sky. And yeah, that is it. It's Vixen, a good brand. Probably you can even use it for observing the night sky. It's very small, quite small. But because it is smaller, maybe you can use it more frequently. If you remove the filter, of course, to reduce the filter which is used to reduce the amount of sun.